Guys, your favorite chef, Chef Brian Lovely, and here with me are some cool, really cool people. We're here at the District 5 and Grace Gourmet Journey. Hear the chatter behind me. No one is focused. Everybody's talking about the food and talking about the drink and the mixture of the drink back and forth. Everybody found a favorite. This is an experience where you discover food. You discover what you like, right? It's not about, what tastes better than what. It's more of, would I eat that? Okay, can I drink something with it? Okay, let me taste it again. Do I like it now? No. Yes. Do I need more pepper? Can I adjust that? Have I ever eaten calamari? No. Yes. Let me taste it. Oh, that tastes good. Or no, that don't taste good. So it's an experience that like no other, and you only can get it here.
I'm Tamara Thompson, General Manager for Grace Foods and Services and Consumer Brands Limited. Tonight was an awesome night. It was really a collaboration of Grace Foods and Services with District 5. We really saw the fusion coming out, utilizing our Grace products, and of course with Brian Chef Lumley behind the scenes. It was just an awesome event. You had quite a bit of taste and flavors coming out, and I must say that the team enjoyed it, and we look forward to greater partnerships with District 5.